Morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Give me one moment here. Let me just send the Zoom link out. All right. All right, how y'all doing? Good to see you guys. W's in a chat here. Got my day trading shirt on today, so you know what time it is. It's going to be a good one, gang. Sorry for the delay. I am here. I am ready to go. Hope you guys are ready as well. Hope you guys are up and at it and not sleeping in your bed or dilly-dallying around, man. Let's get up. Let's stretch out. Let's take some deep breaths, and let's get this day started here. So hope you guys are doing well. Good to see you all. Storm Player, what up, Storm Player? What up, George? What up, Shiro? Z Gamers in the house. What up, Z Gamers? Sam Capitals here bright and early. What up, Bruno? What up, Ewan? What's good, everybody? What up, Brewski? George VDM. Mr. VDM. What up, Legrand? What's up, Henry? What's up, Off the Face? What's good, Grid? Grid in the house. How y'all feeling? Everybody doing good? Yanosh. What up, Yanosh? What up, Connor FX? What's good? What's good? AB Mike. Jimmy Lambo. What up, Jimmy? All right, let's do it. What up, David? We slanging pips? Level up in the building. What up, Level Up? Hey, Dennis. What up, Dennis Hood? How y'all feeling? Everybody doing good? What's today? Today is Wednesday, right? Yes, today is Wednesday without the Y. No Y's on Wednesdays, only W's on Wednesdays. Okay, let me just share my screen here, and we're gonna get this this party started. One moment. What up, everybody in Zoom? Welcome in, welcome in. Let me share my screen here. Perfect. Good morning. All right. All right, I think we're good. Y'all ready to go? Hey, if you guys like the stream, if you haven't, give the stream a like here today. Let me lower the music, and we're going to get this party started. Let me just lower this. Haven't looked at the charts at all, really, since last night. So let's take a look, see where we're at. All right, cool. It's Wednesday. You ever heard of Wednesda? It's not Wednesday. It's Wednesday. What up, YOLO Trader? Zoom link is Zoom link's out. Yeah, I just sent it out, Jules. Yeah, I think it's good. Yeah. Hey, if you guys aren't in our free Discord, you can join our free Discord now. There's almost 6,000 members in this Discord here. You guys are more than welcome to join. Someone should probably put a link in the chat here for the TTE Discord, but you guys are more than welcome to pull up. It's a free Discord. I know most people charge for being in their Discord for some reason, but yeah, this one is totally free. You guys are more than welcome to come in. If you guys have any questions, there's a great group of people in there, so that'll help out. What up, TK? But anyways, let's get the day started here. We're already running a little bit late. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we got going on in the headlines here. So again, it is Wednesday. It is the 18th of October. It is another day here for us. It's another opportunity to be disciplined in these markets and be patient with gold, right? We got to be patient here. So let's see where we're at in terms of the news coming out today, and we're gonna get to it. So looks like we've just got some building permits, orange folder, housing, yeah, nothing much here. So crude oil later on, yeah, I think we're pretty clear. We end the week off with Powell speaking at noon tomorrow. And then we also have, obviously, unemployment claims. And then Friday, we look pretty clean. So it should be a good second half of the week here. And let's get to it. Let's take a look at the charts. Let's go ahead and take a look at gold first. Oh, gold bullish. What do you know here? All right, let's take a look at the weekly time frame here. So taking a look at the weekly, let's do a quick top-down analysis. We split Wednesday for you. Yeah, there you go. Let's go ahead and take a nice look at this week monthly time frame. So taking a look at the monthly here. what's one thing we noticed, right? Stretching it out, we have come into these all-time highs on gold. I did a podcast yesterday, and we were actually talking about why hasn't gold, how come gold isn't at 3,000 at this point, right? So there's been a lot of rejection to the top side, as you guys can see. Pretty obvious rejections here, right? Rejection, rejection, rejection to the top side. So price is really struggling within this area here, right, to make a move. So it doesn't want to move up. It's struggling to move down here as well. If you look at this piece of price action, right, struggling to move down in this range, doesn't really know what it wants to do, and you know, now obviously pushing back up here. So yeah, we have some nice bullish volume. This has a lot to do with the war. We've seen the same exact thing happen during Russia-Ukraine war. So obviously gold is just very, very bullish, right? These are one of those times where, you know, earlier this week you could have just basically, or last week, just pressed buy and held on, right? So that is that's where we're at on the monthly time frame. So it looks like we're trying to move. I'm sorry, that was the weekly. The monthly, same exact deal though, right? So it looks like we're pushing up. Same thing with the weekly. We closed with no top wick here, but we've created a bottom wick. We've got all sorts of rumors of wars going on, and price may just want to come up, right? We may just want to come back up into like 2020, 2019 areas here. So we'll see. We can definitely do that. Gold has the volume to do it. Let's go ahead and take a look at the day, see where we're at. So daily candle, 3, 2, 1, blast off, right? No bottom wick on this candle whatsoever. Coming up into this top wick here now to see if we're going to move past it, or are we going to reject like last time, right? Last time price came up, we rejected this area, this overall zone right here, and then started to move back down. So we need to see what the daily wants to do here today. So we've got to put a magnifying glass on this daily candle, right? We've got to see what's inside this daily candle. And in order to do that, we've got to go down to these lower time frames here. So let's take a peek at the 4-hour candles here. Let's go ahead and stretch this out and see what happened here, right? So we had a big move up. This was yesterday, I believe. No, this was Friday. Friday, big move up, right? Price came down, kind of started to move in this uptrend. We've got a new support here, and price has just been blasting off ever since. So I believe this is the beginning of, which one's the daily candle here? I think it's this one. Yeah, I think it's one of these. So we've just been pulling up right on the 4-hour time frame here. So let's go ahead, break this down on the 1 hour with the 1 hour candle. So you've got a support, right? You've got a support right here. You've also have a resistance right here, and price broke above, right? Price closed above. Candles are struggling just a little bit, and let's see why, right? Let's go to the left-hand side. Let's see why price is struggling. So looks like there is a massive resistance right here, and yeah, another one here, another one here. So I think we need to get above this level here now, right? Or we get a pullback. So let's go ahead and erase all this. Let's make sure we understand where this resistance is. Let's go ahead and mark up that support again. There's the support. And now let's identify what this wick and a few of these wicks are here on the 30-minute time frame. So looks like 30-minute did give us another support. So we've got another support. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 15 as well. Let's go look left. So on days like this where there's a lot of volume, a lot of economical force in price action, you can take a look at the lower time frames, right? It's not best to base your whole bias, in my opinion, off of the lower time frames, but on a day like today, sometimes gold will just leave you hanging, man. Will just leave you hanging. So let's take a look at the 5-minute time frame very briefly. So let's just look, see what's happening. A lot of bullish momentum dying out here. So we did create a new support. Will we pump up from here is the question. We're way too close to this level of resistance though at this point, and we're gonna have to wait, right? We're gonna have to wait if we're taking buys. We may start to reject this level. We may push above it. I don't know, but we're gonna be here and watch it and, you know, see how candles print here. So no bottom wick on this 30-minute candle. I think it just opened. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Gonna sit tight and wait. This is the new level here of resistance. So we're definitely gonna need a closure above 1946 here, or 1946, 1947, clean buys above there. And then if we're going to look to take sells. Well, then we need some sort of a pullback, right? So we want to see candles pull back, print bearish, move down, most likely on the 15-minute time frame in this case. Again, lots of volume. So if we can push back maybe into this like 1945 zone, maybe 1943, maybe a fake out down here, something like that. And then we wait for a bullish candle to print support. And yeah, I think we're off to the races again, or we'll just wait for a simple candle closure above 46 here today. So that's what I'm looking at here on gold. Pretty straightforward, you know, not too complicated. If we do close below here, we're going to want to retrace this move. So if we close below here, you're going to see gold move down to retrace this move here. So we'll look for a range 2 sells below 43. So range 2 sells below 43 and then buys above 46. And that's it. That's the day. Don't get too crazy. Don't get too caught up in your head about all this, right? Otherwise, you'll start rushing positions. Oh, I got to get in. I got to get in. I got to get in, right? Just chill out. Let's focus on what we see right here. Okay? Let's just focus on this for now. Don't worry about all this and all that and everything that you missed while you were sleeping. It's no big deal. Let's see where price wants to go outside of this box here. So that's going to be the day here on gold for me. And yeah, we'll just sit tight and wait now. Sit tight and wait. Lots of range, lots of volume here today. Should be a big day. All right, let me just move this. Perfect. Let me put range 2 sells. All right, cool. So yeah, that's the day, gang. So range 2 sells. We could take range 2 sells, or let's say we got something like this. So let's say we got price action to move down, close bearish, right? And then you close bearish here, and then you have some sort of a, you guys know this play, right? Oh, let me get this one out. Right, let's say we have some sort of bullish, weak bullish closure. Then what we could do is we could look to take our sells coming down off this celery play here. So boom, and then take your sell coming down like that. So that's the only way I'll take buys our sells here, like off of a simple breakout. It's got to have this celery play involved. Otherwise, we need to wait for, you know, some sort of a break and retest. So yeah, that's the day. So that's the day on gold. Target for sells is going to be down here as well, back down here where the race began at 1939 here. So pretty clean moves up and down here on gold today. Let's just sit tight, be patient. Let's focus on what's going on here and not get too caught up on any FOMO that happened, you know, throughout these moves here. So that's it. We're here now. There's no better time than the present. Cool. Sweet. What up, Johnny Stu? 100% agree. Close below, we come down. Daily has no bottom wick. Yes, exactly. Perfect. So let's go ahead and take a look at pound yen here as well really quick. And let's see what we got going on here with pound yen. So taking a look at the monthly. Monthly is, you know, it drove down, it drove back up. Now it's just fluctuating around this, you know, bullish bearish area. So let's see what happens. Let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly time frame. Weekly did close bearish, creating a resistance. Therefore, I am pretty bearish this week. Now we're halfway through the week. We've broken the lows already. Can we fill this wick, right? That's the goal here for you know, this candle here, is can we actually drive down, fill that wick, and continue moving down on the weekly. So we really want to see the weekly candles close below this level right here. So if you get a bearish closure below, I think the monthly will be good to continue running down here. And then that'll also be very clean traffic, right, for us to continue down as well on the lower time frame. So let's see what the weekly wants to do here. Going over to the daily though. Daily did close bearish as well. We did create resistance as well. This is also the weekly resistance. So these highs are very important here. Right, I don't know if it looks like we slightly broke the high there. So could be a weekly daily pack runner here for price to continue down. You do have a wick to fill. That is about 145 pips away. So going ahead, we are bearish on the day. let's take a look at the 4 hour. So 4 hour is creating some sort of resistance here as well, right at resistance level. So possible fake out here on the 4 hour, because a lot of people were taking buys off of this resistance here, but failed to realize that there's another major one right to the left, right? So for those who had their buys up here, never got activated, but those who had their buys here are activated here and potentially will be faked out for price to continue moving down with the higher time frames. Cool. So let's go ahead. So how are we going to get positions here? Let's take a look at the 30-minute, 1 hour. So let's see. Let's get rid of everything. And let's see what we got. So we have this level, I would say probably, yeah, we got a resistance here. Right, let's take a look left here. So yeah, major area of resistance here. So let's see if we can kind of come into this range and potentially fake out, right? Come back up to this support, get ourselves a fake out for price to continue moving back down. So remember, we're bearish on the day. We're bearish on the 4 hour. We're currently coming up, right, on the 4 hour right now. The 1 hour time frame as well as moving up to possibly create a new resistance. Same thing with the 30 minutes. So if we can get some sort of closure, right, candle closure back below the range here, so maybe not on this current candle, but on the next one, then we can have clean sells coming down, and then that should begin the rally for the bearish move today here on pound yen. So that's going to be what I'm looking for on GJ. So some sort of fake out right here, right? Fake out for sells. See if we can come down, and then if we're taking buys here today, if then we're going to wait and see if the 4 hour candle will close above resistance here. So that's going to be it. Yeah, that's the 1 hour resistance, 30-minute resistance. May have to move it up a smidge. But yeah, that's about it. So we'll see if we can get some sort of a, you had this move down. We'll see if we can come up, create resistance to move back down here. So that's the plan for pound yen. Just wait on it, right? Just wait on it. Give it some time. Things will start to print in a few minutes here. 15, 30 minutes. Should see some new candles printing. So that's the day, my friends. That's the day. Goals for pound yen today are pretty clean. I mean, you have a incredible wick fill, right? Let's go ahead and take a look at what this looks like on the 1 hour time frame. So yeah, this wick down here is the daily wick fill. So that's going to be the main target here for today. You may run into some issues right around this point, but other than that, very, very clean here. So just gotta wait, man. Just gotta wait today, and let's see what happens. So gonna pretty much stay away from this range here. Not gonna touch anything within this range. This is gonna be a no trade range for me today. But if we do get a resistance to form, then I will look to potentially take sells down throughout these ranges here and take advantage of all this traffic, right? All this territory. And then for buys, obviously everything looks pretty clean above 82.875. So pretty clean day, right? That's the day on pound yen. Little red zone, big green zones, always my favorite. Cool. TTE buds. Yeah. Got it? All right, cool. Dope. All right. And that's it. And now we can sit tight, chill out, and wait. Same thing with gold here, gang. So same exact thing with gold. This is going to be a no trade range here for me today. So not taking any positions within the red range here. It's going to be a no trade range for me. Anything above is very clean though, right? Let's take a look. Hold on. Let me get rid of the red zone real quick. Let's go back to the 30-minute. Yeah, so pretty much anything above there is pretty clean in my opinion for price to continue moving up. Anything below is pretty clean for this move to get retraced. But within this red range is a big no-no. No, Nick. Don't do it. Don't do it. So I always like to see small red zones, big green zones, and now we just got to wait. Cool. Any questions, comments, concerns? Let me know. Yeah, good opportunities here today. Hey, yo, Johnny Boy in the chat. Insane that celery pops into my head when I see it. 3 months ago, I was clueless. Oh, nice, LeGrand. Big W, bro. Big W. Bro, tell me about GBP USD. I have no idea. I would give you wrong answers. You don't want me to tell you about GBP USD. You want to ask me questions about XAU USD or GBP JPY, because those are the pairs I trade. If you ask me questions about GBP USD, you may not get the right answers, right? So I'm not the guy for that. You know, you got to know, you don't talk to your mechanic about your teeth. You know what I mean? You need to get brain surgery. You're not going to go to the auto body shop and see what that guy thinks about it. You know what I mean? So, yeah. But yeah, that's the day. All done here. Now we wait. The work is done. Right? Work is done here. TTW. Why is it a no trade range? Because what you see here is you basically have a new resistance after this rejection. Where did we reject? Well, let's go ahead and look, right? There's a very strong resistance here. What happened last time we created resistance here? Holy, right? So we don't want to take buys right now, right? We want to wait. We want to wait. Right, because if you end up close, so what gold will most likely do is just range for a little bit, range a bit pre-New York, and then we will see some sort of a move outside of it. So can this be a support? I don't know, right? We'll have to wait. We just gotta wait. Amazing live stream, just subbed. Hey, welcome, Lawrence. Welcome to the community. We got NY open upon us here too in 14 minutes. Coming up, creeping on us quick here today. Just like the likes, right? The likes are just creeping up here today. They're creeping. What was the question? Why is gold called XAU? The ISO 4217 currency code for 1 troy ounce of gold. A symbol for Philadelphia gold and silver index. Yeah, I'm not too sure. Google. Google. Something exchange, something like that. Once I max out equity with FTMO, I want to continue challenges. Which firm should I use next? And why? I'm not too sure, to be honest. What up, Toby? Good morning, bro. What up, everyone in Zoom? Yeah, either go back with FTMO. I'm using the funded trader. Yeah. What would I target for longs? I would target 1953 originally, right? That's going to be my first target, because if we look left, we will notice that above here is pretty clean traffic where price should wick up into this area. So yeah, 1953, and then probably partials or break even right around, 1950 here. Yeah, it's about a 30 pip move up, and then I think the remainder is about 60 pips. Yeah, nice clean range here, gang. Nice clean range. You see this? Beautiful. beautiful. All right, price coming downtown here. Oh, what up, Sam? Oh, we got Sam in the house. Let's get Sam up here. Sam's in the hoodie. What's goody in that hoodie? Looks cold over there, bro.
Man, hoodie.
Holy. Oi.
Got the hoodie on because I'm the coldest out. Oh,
Mm.
how I'm feeling this morning.
Stop it, play up.
What's going on?
How we doing?
Yo, I'm feeling
Feeling good?
wonderful, bro. Yeah,
Nice.
ready,
Let's
fired
go.
up,
Let's
ready
go.
for the day. Yo, you
Talk to
put
me.
the Zoom link in the wrong chat. You put it in a chat where the entire server could join. So I deleted it. Just drop it back in the Zoom.
Yo, what?
That's why I know. That's why like probably half the people aren't in here. I was looking for it.
What channel did I put that in?
The one right above it, the paid, the signal linked one.
Oh.
But like, yeah, everyone.
Yo, my bad. I guess some people found it, some people didn't.
I was looking for it. I was like,
sorry, fellas. Sorry, ladies and
no,
gents.
it's all good.
My
That's
bad.
funny though.
I'm moving today, baby. I'm moving. I'm all over. Let's make this a live chat so we can see all your beautiful comments here as they come on in.
What's going on, Magnifico? Oi.
Yeah. Gold moving on up. Like the Jeffersons.
You're about to join.
The whole chat when it was about to be on Zoom, bro.
Hey, if you could find it, you could find it.
Yo, yeah, if you found it, you're in. I'm not going to kick anyone out.
Yeah.
I ain't going to kick anyone out here because...
Yeah, someone said they joined, so...
Yeah, hey, welcome, welcome. So if you're in, you're in today. That's
only 10 people. That's...
Yeah.
Like, that wasn't even that many in here.
Yeah, I guess
Half
a
of
few
people couldn't even find it.
people snuck in here, no problem. You guys figured it out. You cracked the code today. And when you crack the code, you should always be rewarded for it.
That's hilarious.
Oh man, we got 1,000 people here bright and early. If you guys are enjoying the streams day in and day out, give the stream a like here today. I would appreciate your likes. We are sitting tight waiting for gold to make its move. Right? Will we continue on up, closing above this resistance here and heading up to 1953, or are we going to close below and look to retrace the move here? So no bottom wick on the daily candle just yet. No bottom wick on the 4-hour candle just yet. No, yeah, 4-hour candle there. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see.
Got clean traffic, though.
Clean traffic. Clean.
Yeah, I didn't expect that move up that it did. No, I mean, daily candle just started
Ripping. Right off the jump.
Yeah, where's my chart at? So I was looking at it in Asian session, and I thought like right around, I don't know, there was like a 1-hour candle that printed bearish. I was like, all right, maybe we'll pull back here, form some resistance or something. Nope.
Nothing.
Or like just pull back. Yeah, you know what I mean? Like for the daily candle. I was like, bro.
Yeah.
Went crazy.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I was looking at Asian yesterday as well. Yeah, I wanted to take this position right here. I wanted this candle to close a little bit above and take the move down, but we ended up closing all the way down here, no bottom wick, so it's like, let's go to bed.
Yeah.
Let's go to bed. And gold last night, gold was ripping. I was a little bit late to the charts last night because I was doing something, but I noticed here that you had a really nice celery play. I would have been all over this thing. See how we closed above, right on support, break of the highs there, and look at this thing just ran from there. Just ran. Insane.
Yeah. That volume is crazy.
Yeah.
It's like New York.
Yeah, I was a little bit late to the party on gold last night. I think that happened around pretty early too, like 7 p.m. Yeah.
I saw that bearish candle. I didn't even think of that, so shame on me.
Yeah.
I saw it print and I was like, that's when I was like, all right, it's gonna pull back here, and you know, Asian session's gonna do its thing, where it just kind of chops around. Daily candle will get its bottom weight. Nope.
Yeah, nah, I understand that too, right? The one thing I was looking at was this level right here, like this area. When I look back at it, I'm like, oh, look at that. Beautiful. Close above. Probably would have closed the bulk of my position right here, though.
Yeah. Yeah. What did the buys look like on I mean, there was like one good opportunity on the 15th, maybe. I don't know. It doesn't have too much of a bottom weight.
Yeah, you also had this guy right here. Oh, I think that was just a rocket ship up. Rocket ship. But yeah. Doop, doop. 4 minutes for a closure here. Give me 1 minute. I'll be right back.
Yeah, nothing too much for the news though. For the rest of this week, we got unemployment tomorrow. They're expecting numbers to come out. Last week was 209K. They want to see 210, so only 1,000 increase. So like nothing even crazy. You know, not really too much of a change. Powell speak. And that's about it. Am I a lawyer? No. I almost did go to law school though, which is crazy. Like way back. What up, Green? Oh yeah, no, I'll do it tomorrow. I could be your lawyer anytime? Alright, LeGrand, I got you. How can we be good at fundamentals then? You want to study macroeconomics. You want to study economics. Like lawyer is like law school. Geopolitics, yeah, that as well. Geopolitics is good too. Geopolitics, behavioral finance. Like behavioral finance, you're seeing like a good bit of that right now with gold. Like whenever there's an opportunity for the market to like really buy into an asset class, you see the greed come out like crazy. Like you see how gold has just been flying so much. with war. That's why they say like war is one of the best ways to generate profit.
War is profit.
Yeah. Sad. It's
Very
true.
sad. Very sad, but very, very true. War is profit. The only people that usually get the brunt of war are the innocent. Right? The elites are just moving things around, and unfortunately innocent people, man, innocent people are in the way, right, of what they need to do. And by all means necessary, they'll eliminate and terminate. So very, very unfortunate.
And it's like as sad as it is, it's like the reason it's so profitable is because it's really just go in and take things, or
Yep.
like, yeah, go in, insert leaders,
Yep.
and it's crazy.
Take over the
It's even
land.
one eye closed.
All right. Can we close above? We're trying to create a support here on the 15. I really want to see a closure above though. So 15-minute candle is closing right here. Yeah. So no closure above, no top wick. We're gonna lay off that. Pound yen looks pretty good though. So GJ did create some sort of resistance here for price to continue moving back down. We did close bullish here on the 1 hour. So I believe we need to see some sort of a top wick moving up, and that will activate all the buyers. And then if we can get some sort of closure, maybe celery play on the 15-minute, that would be awesome. All right, if the 1 hour was bearish, I would say let's run it, but how big are stops? Let's see. Oh, not bad. 15 pips here. Yeah, let's see if we can come down, make a little bit of a low, and then break the high so buyers are activated. And then we'll look to have sell stops on the break of the lows here on the 30-minute. All right, there it is. So I am going to have sell stops here on the break of these lows on pound yen. So let's go over to GJ here. 30-minute onion play. We'll keep stops below the lows, or stops above the previous candle high, and we're going to target this nice move here today. Yeah, that's going to be my position. Lovely. All right, cool. So that's that. We'll see if we can get activated into a pound yen here for price to continue moving down. And gold, we got to wait.
Oh. Went up, filled the wick.
Wow.
Pulled the hose back.
Let's take a look. Yeah, gold, we need to wait. It's going to be a waiting game here on gold. Hold on, what's the deal here? Yeah. All right, cool. Lovely, lovely. Let's see if GJ can make it happen. So sell stops here on the break of the lows. Yeah, what's the difference here? We got 3 pip different. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for the break of the low there. Yeah, stops are gonna be kept. Stops are gonna be kept up here, right? Actually, they're gonna be kept way up here. So what you got here is a 25 pip stop, and the way we'll manage the position is if we get activated, right? If we end up breaking those lows and coming down, right? So let me give you all the plan real quick. So this is the plan for the trade, right? If it ends up coming down and activating us and then moving back up, closing bullish above this range here, then we can close out our position, right? Because if price is closing above, then you may want to see another push up. Therefore, we'll leave that position right here. Now, if price doesn't do that and price moves, activates us, all works out in our favor, then what I'll look to do is I'll look to go break even right around this point here. So I think that's going to be, yeah, about 9-10 pips in profit down here. And then I'll be looking to hold it. So I'm going to hold this position to at least this wick fill. And then if we get any lower, that's going to be for the runners. So that'll be what the position on gold looks, or GJ looks like here. So let me just put it up there for you. BE. Yeah, this is what it'll look like. That's it. Will you enter with 40 lots? Yeah, on GJ I'll have 40 lots open. Yeah, I'm risking under 2% here, so my stops are going to be up here. 182,675, somewhere around that area. Yeah, that's actually the exact number, 674. So we'll see, right? We're waiting on this resistance here, right? So let's talk about it. We're anticipating the move to come down, right? Being that we did close bearish, we want to see, let's get rid of everything. We want to see this candle start flipping, moving bearish to fill this wick here today, right? That's what we're looking at. The 4-hour time frame also is creating resistance right in this level here. So we did close bullish on the last 4-hour, but we've got 54 minutes left on this candle. Price is looking pretty clean to continue down. You also have the one issue is the bullish, right? The bullish 1-hour candle. So let's see how this goes. Like I said, this could be activating buyers to start to move back down now. 30-minute did close with resistance, and 15-minute as well. So you got a nice little rejection wick there. Coming up to these 15-minute highs, that's no big deal. As long as we respect the 30 high, we'll leave these sell stops. If we break the high, then we'll probably get rid of them. Goldie moving on up here. Gold just no remorse here on gold, man. Haircut's looking fresh. I didn't get a haircut. I just haven't shown y'all my hair. I've been rocking hats. Just been rocking hats. Yeah, we'll see what gold wants to do. Just continuing. Bring out the flow. Yeah. Oh, I set my daily trades to 3. Even when my first trade, it gives me a warning. Oh, yeah, that's pretty cool.
What'd you set it with, the magic keys in?
Yeah, I guess you can set up, it'll stop you. That's it. No more. Really, like it's like at the bar when you get too drunk, they cut you off.
No more.
You're cut. Magic keys like you're too drunk. You're not in a great state of mind right now. Are you risking 2.5%? I am risking under 2%. A little bit under 2% here. Right, my total loss would be $7,300. So yeah, like 1 point something percent there. 1.8, 1.7, I don't know, something like that. Oh, 1.95. I forgot the signals channel calculates everything now. So yeah, 1.95%. If we hold on to this, 6% for the max one. So we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Thank you, Eugene. Appreciate you, bro. Thanks for keeping the other chat aware of everything. I know some of y'all are working and stuff like that. They can't really pay attention to the stream, so appreciate you, bro. Toss a like on the stream. Yeah, Forex Frank. Good morning, sir. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of this line for now. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of everything for now because I'm just a bit OCD. What trading platform do I use? MetaTrader 5. MT5. Damn, son. Damn, homie. Which candle close is good? 30-minute candles. Maybe today 15, because there's a lot of volume here. What up, Alan Forex? Good morning, my man. What up, the Groom Smith? How you doing today, sir?
What up, Groomsmith?
What up, Rapid Max?
What up, Elaine?
Is it Alan or Elaine? Elaine.
I don't know.
I don't know either. Wick the Kid. What up, Wick the Kid? What up, Leonardo?
W's.
I seen another name. I see your name all the time. I forgot to shout you out here though, but I think it was Mikko, right? Mikko? Micko? I think. Yeah. I meant to shout you out before, but I see you. Showing up all day, every day. Putting in that work. Yeah, there he is. Yo. Let's get it. What up, Louis G? How you doing, man? A15 gold buys? Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
Where's Mike? Probably sleeping, bro.
Mike might be sleep.
Sleep.
You guys reckon it goes down after news? Ah, man, oh man. Well, we'll see, man. I don't know about today. Looks like we're just on a run.
News.
Yeah.
There's building permits.
Yeah.
I don't think that.
Today's Wednesday, right? Not Thursday.
Yeah. Wednesday.
A little late on stream. What's the GBPJPY order? Oh, here you go. So I got sell stops on the break of the lows here. Break of the previous 30-minute candle lows. Yeah, I'm going to keep my stops today about 25 pips up. So not a bad stop here. And what I'll look to do is probably after we move down a bit, move them to 182, 580. So I'll move them from here to above this structure, and then we'll start trailing stops as we move down, if we move down. Hard to short gold. Yeah, it is. Yeah, unless we really get a close below, I think, 43, then there may be an opportunity, but yeah, it's tough. TTE. I'm locked in here with you for the next 6 weeks. Oh, let's go. Oh, tore my major. Oh, pec tendon. Oh man, that boy lifting. Took the chance about 100K challenge account. Nice, nice, nice. Awesome. Yeah, let's lock in. Let's lock in, man. I'm trying to go on a hot streak here, man. Hot streak. I can feel it. You still keeping your sell stops? Why, did we break 30 highs yet? Yeah, I'm still keeping them. Put onions and celery in my pot roast. Yo, pot roast is fire. You ever had pot roast, Sam?
I might have. I mean, what is it? Just like beef stew, like kind of.
You kind of, yeah. All right, I may have buy stops here on the new 15 open. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. Yeah, these buy stops may happen fairly quick when the candle opens up. Let's see if we can come down and make a smidge bit of a bottom wick. Come on, gold. Don't do it. Don't do it, gold.
Pull back for Comex gold.
Yeah, if we get a drastic bottom wick for Comics Open, then we'll enter on the flip here. It's doing it. Don't do it, gold. Alright, I think we broke highs on GJ too. Let's see the 15. Yeah, gold is 100% ready to fly here. 100%. Let's wait for Comics Open here. Comics Open brings us down here. We reflip bullish. That's going to be our entry on gold. But y'all know I can't do this, right? You guys know that. All right. Yeah, I'm going to delete this this sell stop order on pound yen for now. And it doesn't look like she's ready to go down just yet here. So time to delete. Time to delete.
ETD.
Alright, cool. Alright, let's take a look at gold again. Lovely, lovely.
Pull back for your gold.
Let's see if we can pull back here.
Talk to us. Nice gold. News? None.
Goldie, goldie, goldie. Flipping? Oh, not yet. Not yet. Not yet.
What do you mean, Cheryl?
Oh, I thought Biden canceled his trip. Did Biden go to Israel? I thought he canceled the trip. I'll tell you one thing, gang. Don't believe everything you see.
Yeah.
Trust me. Trust me. Don't believe everything you see on the news, gang.
Dude, when I seen that yesterday, I was like, wow.
Joe Biden.
How do I feel, Mr. Capital? Yeah, I feel amazing. MG Bad, how do you feel? That's the real question.
What are these stops looking like? 40, 43. Yeah, if we can get a steeper low, I'm gonna have a buy stop on the flip. If this is all we get, I'm going to have a buy stop here on the break of the high. Let's see if we can go a bit lower here. All right, yeah, I'm gonna have buy stops here on gold. So buy stops on the break of the highs here on gold. I'm gonna leave my stops. Not gonna leave them here. I'm gonna actually bring them down here below this grab here. So let's see where we go during comics. But I got buy stops on gold here. Very nice push down here.
Yeah,
Good stuff.
this.
Good stuff.
Like 1 minute before.
Yeah. All right, here comes comics. Comics open has arrived. So I think I've been activated here, chat. So I've been activated here on buys. Oh, wrong tool. Got into some buys on gold. Stops are going to be kept below these lows here. TP is going to be up here, right around 46 pips up. Look to potentially, let's take a look left here. Let's look to the left. Yeah, it's going to be my break-even point. And then we'll see if we can get gold to ride. All right, cool. Yeah, we've got a lot of clean traffic ahead of us here. Let's go ahead and look left one more time here. And let's just mark off where we can really move to. Gold is, let's take a look at the 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour probably come into this 1952 zone. And then, you know, you got even cleaner traffic above that. So this is probably going to be like my full target up here if gold wants to continue moving up here. Yeah, something like that. All right, so I'm not going to go break even or anything, but I am going to move my stops now. So I'm going to move my stops here to below the previous candle low. Yeah, right there. And then we should break this high and then start moving up. Let's see if we can punch through that high there.
Power. Go to go. What is this news you guys keep talking about, if there's news?
This news, that orange folder.
The housing permits?
All right, lovely, lovely. So I am going to now trail stops above the current candle here. So stops going to be above that current candle now that we're breaking those highs. I'm not going to go BE just because we're only, I think we've seen like 10 pips there. I want to see if we can continue running. I think we can continue running here. So just trailing stops along the way here. $19.50 is this zone here, right? It's that resistance level. So we got to be aware here. There is a resistance to the left right here at 19.50. So with yeah. All right, I'm going to close partials here at 10 pips. I'm going to close partials at 10 and let this thing ride because it's 5 minutes left until the 30-minute closure. I'm not going to move stops to break even. I'm just closing some partials in my position. And yeah, just going to let this thing continue to run. Yeah, 1950 could struggle here, right? We already know that. We've talked about that. Struggling here on 1950. So we'll see what happens if we could break through this level or not. But this is that zone in which we're approaching. So basically what gold says is, hey, I have guaranteed profits for you up until 1950 here. And then I may want to pull back a bit. So we're going to take a little bit of profit here while we're up. And this candle's about to close. So
Yeah, W.
Let's see how the 5 closed. Yeah, 5 closed very strong bullish. You should see a continued pump up here. The initial stop was big, so I reduced my lot size. Yeah, me too.
Yeah, that was perfect.
Yeah, you guys don't have to close partials if you don't want to. You could just trail your stops. Whatever you guys need to do, that's just what I'm going to do here. Close partials at 10, and then we'll see if it can run the rest of the way. Notice how we're struggling a bit, right? At 50 here. So that's the reason why. But this 5 now, after making a bottom wick, should break the highs and get rolling here. Why don't you let full lot run to cover the loss? Because we're running into 1950 here with 5 minutes left on a 30-minute candle. So that's why. If there was no 1950, right, if price action was just clean, then I would do it. But the market gives me my orders, right? I don't try and get losses back. I don't try and make X amount of dollars. I just am very militant, and I take my marching orders from the market itself. And the market itself said, hey, we have a resistance here where we could potentially move down. So if you have profits and you want to close them here. So that's why I did that. Right? If this was super clean and let's say this resistance was here, then I'd be holding till 1952. Yeah. Yeah, I got rid of a day job boss and the market became my boss.
Yeah, that's all I listen to. Come up to 1950. Take my money.
Yeah.
Take some money at least.
Yeah, let's see if we would have gotten in on the flip. That was on, I think that was what? Maybe, 7 pips. Yeah, that was pretty decent. So new 30-minute candle is opening. I'm gonna keep my stops below the 30-minute candle. So there's still like 20 pip stops here. You know what? I think we can move them now to the 15 low. So we're gonna move them to the 15 lows here. Oh, I think I have them there anyway. All right, cool. Yeah, that's gonna be it. Let's see if we could drive up here now. Let's get rid of this partial TP. And we'll put it up here. 1953, yeah. Yeah, if the 5 closes bearish here, right around BE, then I'm just going to close my full position and just hang tight. Oh, let's go to the 1 minute time frame. No, yeah, so I'm going to close this position here. Oh, hold on. No bottom wick. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to close that position right there. So a little bit below break even, just close full. We might want to run down here. We did open up on the 30 though, looking pretty nice here. So let's see, maybe we can get another position. I think we have a little bit of news coming out. Let's take a look. Yeah, so we got a little bit of orange folders here. Let's go ahead and take a look. Oh, nothing came out here yet. So yeah, that was the position, about 10 or 11 pips on that one. Let's take a look at pound yen here. GJ moving up. Get rid of this. Yeah, let's see if we pull back for the for this 4-hour candle at all. Yeah. All right, let's see. Big W, great job. Yeah, nice little move there. 10 pipper, we'll take it. We'll take it. I'm very curious to see how the 4-hour candle closes here too. Because if you look left on the 4-hour, right, we have a very strong resistance. We're also coming into this resistance as well that we tapped into, right? A lot of resistance here. So yeah, I'm very curious to see how we end up closing here. $30-minute is moving down. Yeah. Yeah, if you're still in, you're still in. You know, if you're still in, just hold on, hold on to your position, right? If you plan that to stay in, then just stay right in. Cool. The bot. All right. Yeah, did you take that? Did you take partial, Sam?
Yeah, I took mine. I got my break even too.
Nice.
think I closed out at what I got in 1948.62, and then I closed at 1949.72.
Mm. Nice. Yeah, was there? I didn't see the spread, but it seemed like we got spread pretty decent too there.
What I think I had mine. I got spread like 2.5.
So we can take trades 10 minutes before an orange folder. Thought that was against the playbook. No. Any red folders we will wait, but orange folders are not too big of a deal.
Yeah, and it depends like what it is as well. You know, it's building permits, so it's like
Yeah.
that has to just do with like the housing market and how well that's doing, and that doesn't really have too much of a like fundamental impact on gold.
Yeah.
Especially like with what's going on in the world right now, like there's certain things and certain fundamentals that I like to say hold more weight than others. So like with the war right now, excuse me, with the war right now, obviously that holds the most fundamental weight, and whenever there's war, you know, investors want to move their money into the safe havens like gold. So you're just seeing gold fly like every single day for the last 2 weeks after everything with Israel and
Yeah.
the Middle East.
Very bullish day. Yeah, we may come down a little bit. I want to see, maybe we come back down because remember, we have a new 4-hour candle coming. So you may see a pullback here on this 4-hour close for us to leave a wick, right? And then what that's going to be on the, what that's going to look like here on the 15-minute time frame is a move down, right? You'll see this move down, come down here, and then 43 is probably that point where we may get another resistance. So that's probably what I'm going to look for now with the new 4-hour close. 43 is a good area. If we can create some sort of support there, then we can continue to move back up, right? Gold is notorious for coming down, creating supports, and then retesting the high. So that's all we're going to wait on here now. So this is basically your pullback on the 4-hour, your new 4-hour bottom wick, and then your move back up. All right, and all that will look like on the 4-hour time frame is this. So you have a 4-hour close, all right, which is the previous candle. Next 4-hour comes down, makes a bottom wick right here, creates a support, right, and then starts moving up after making this bottom wick to continue up, and then that's the play you'll see on the 15-minute, right? Looking something like this. So we'll see if we can get something like that here.
Yeah, I would like that as well. That would be beautiful.
Update the record. All right, cool. We'll do that in a sec. Yeah, or we may want to run here, right? We may just want to run. But last 15 of the 4-hour is coming up, so y'all know I don't like to really participate in that candle. So therefore, we're just going to hang tight.
Yeah, hang tight. I like that too. Hang tight. Just play around when we know volume, like when we can't anticipate the volume.
Oh, look
like,
at pound yen too here.
Pound yen.
Yeah, nice. Ooh. Nice. 830 moving downtown. Oh, we did get a resistance on the 15. All right, cool. Yeah, we're going to hold off here. We're just going to wait on the 4-hour at this point. Take a sell. Take it. You take a sell. No, you take a sell. Oh yeah, see? That would have activated us right there. We deleted those, right? Yeah. Oh, 30-minute flipping. Did we get the flip? Do we see the move up here to end over the next 20 minutes? Yeah, we may see a move up.
Oh. Goldie. Take sell then? There's no setup.
Yeah, nah, no buys. No buys yet. This is why we want to hang tight, right?
Yeah. Hang tight. Like, look, like last trade, for example, at 8:20, we had Comex. We could wait for the 4-hour closure, then the 9:30 volume. There, see if there's a setup. Oh,
Yep.
simple. Patience, zero. Yes.
Yeah, we need a pullback here for the 4-hour, I think. And then we may continue up right after the 4-hour for sure. But right now you're experiencing a little bit of a pullback. 1 hour had no bottom wick either. So there's the 1 hour bottom wick. The 4-hour still has 0 bottom wick as well. All right, so. GJ down, 10.
GJ downtown.
Downtown. Yeah, if we close bearish here on the 4-hour, that'll give us nice indication, right? Especially if we create the, look what happened last time we created resistance, right? Created resistance, price was able to go ahead and move down. Created resistance, price was able to go ahead and move down recently. So if we do create resistance here, you know, then you should see price start to, you know, head in the downward direction for the next 4-hour candle to retest those lows down there. And again, daily wick fill is sitting right at 181, 100 there. But let's mark that trade up before we forget here. So trying to battle back here from those 3 big losses, man. Let's see, what time was that? 8:15, right?
Yeah, 8:15.
You guys notice how we've been managing risk a little bit better? How we have been trailing stops a little bit more? The signals channel can see that, I think, a little bit more than the stream, because I think we've been in a few more trades. Gold buy. That was a breakout. Yeah, breakout. Current high. We're battling.
Fighting.
Cammy Cam,
James
Cammy Cam. Cam's all over here today. You back in? Nice. I'm just gonna wait. Waiting for the 4 hour. Killer Cam. What up, Cam? How you feeling, bro? What's up, Green? Morning, my friend. My buddy. My buddy. Oh, TK. Forgot to hit record, man. Better late than never. Crap. TTW, man. TTW.
ETW.
Sorry, TK. Where I go, he go. Hey, what up, Green? How you feeling, bro? How you feeling today? Will we see a move down here? I want you guys to pay attention to what the market is showing us. I don't know, man. I don't know if the war here is going to allow us to do this, but previous data says we've rejected. Right? Previous data says we have rejected on the daily time frame here. We also have no bottom wick, but you know, we can't go only off of technicals here this week because we've got a lot of fundamentals happening. So no bottom wick here though. Keep that in mind here on gold. We'll see.
Yeah, I agree 100%. Because even if you look at like what happened, I feel like a lot of the times, well, at least like from what I've seen, the whole like Russia, Ukraine, when we got that move up, as soon as it hit like all-time highs again, we came back down because they already knew that the rate hikes were back in play.
Hike.
And look at how far gold came down off of that move.
Yeah.
We drove from 2070s down into 1600s.
Oh yeah.
So
yeah.
see, just wait on it. But I mean, yeah, as far as this daily candle and everything goes, no bottom weight. We're way up into that 1950s area. Like, see what Goldie does.
Yep. 15 closed back in the range here. So we'll see if we close back outside the range, and you know, maybe gold's going to continue up. But if we start moving lower, especially lower than 43 here, and we like break and retest 43, then you may come down. But we're not gonna try and predict that. We're just gonna go based off of what we see here. Cool. So what we see right now, 15 closed back in the range, moving on up, but we're really just gonna wait on this 4-hour candle here. If you look at the monthly, would you say gold is potentially creating a top wick before coming down? Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Oh, well, we haven't broke the monthly highs just yet, so we're still in good standings. That's going for us, but we're creeping on that monthly high here. So let's see. It's the what, 18th? Yeah. So we'll see what happens. But if we do break the high, then man, you may see us shoot back up. All right, if we can come back in these ranges, it's pretty crazy that we're back up here now. Right? Pretty crazy. That was quick. We came all the way down to 1615. Damn. And then moved back up. Pushing close to 2000 again. Crazy. Yeah. Big 1 hour, 30-minute close here. 1 hour, 30-minute, 4 hour. But what happened, we pretty much, if we look at the times here, well, this rejection happened in August, right? This was in August of 2020, and then March, and then May. So will we pump back up to try and do that again? I don't know here.
Where's the zoom at? Why can't I find my zoom?
Zoom.
Say, I could show you what the fundamentals for was as well, but I can't find my zoom. Oh, it's this little box. I feel like a boomer when I use zoom, bro.
You're like 50.
Yeah. Yeah, but like
boomer's
back in
50?
August on 2020,
So.
I have no idea, bro. There's old heads. But that was whenever, so it was like April or February, March, you had COVID. You seen gold explode on a monthly time frame.
Oh, yeah.
And then August 2020, they first started talking about tapering. That was whenever gold made it first hit all-time highs for the first time. Then we pulled back, and then let me see monthly time frame. I gotta look at mine.
Yeah, man, we pulled back pretty much the rest of the year, and then
Kind of just chopped around. Then we moved back up all-time highs back to with the war with Russia, Ukraine. Came back down.
Yep, yeah, it was nuts.
Go B.
GJ. Monthly barcode? Oh, monthly barcode. Barcode. Sell next month. Just come back next month, press sell, and then come back the following month. Win number 96 here on the year. We're creeping on 100. Four more for 100 wins on stream this year. Wow. We have taken a lot of trades here together, chat. Have we not? Man.
I can't believe it's been the whole year already, bro.
Yeah, seriously.
I mean, I can, but
is it 97? It may be 97, man. I forget. I think I forgot to hit one win. I'm not sure. Maybe you guys will know better. Where are the haters at? They should know. The Quakers know. I'm not too sure. Okay, 4 hour gonna close nice here in 6 minutes here on pound yen. Beautiful. No, I'm not too sure, so we'll just leave it at 96. Honestly, I can't remember. I think I might have missed it. Oh, yeah, I didn't change it. Oh, yeah, my bad. I changed it from 96 to 96. There we go, 97, my bad. Haters are at work. Your account is telling another story? Ah, yeah. It happens. Take some big losses here and there. No biggie. We'll bounce back.
But 97 isn't 97%.
Yeah.
I help you.
It's just 97 wins. Chat, what are you going to do? You lose sometimes, right? Sometimes you lose big. You guys never lost big? I know you guys have lost. Right? Yeah, we lost 3 big trades here, 3 full stops. So that's what I'm trying to battle back from here now. I'm just like you, man. Human. Right? Never claimed to be a superstar, 100% winning, influencing, guru, internet trader. Never once. Just follow the journey. Thank you so much for the win and all you do. Oh, got you, got you. Following the playbook. Oh. Yeah. Maybe I'm human. Maybe I'm not. I don't know. Maybe this isn't even real. Is anything you see real? Maybe I'm just an AI.
Are we in the Matrix?
Maybe the real Nick is just so nice with programming. And maybe he messed up a little bit this morning, so he had to take a little bit more time to get the bot all set up. But there he is.
I had to get the bot set up. I forgot to put the charger on last night.
I forgot to put the charger on the hologram. My bad.
Yeah, is this real? Maybe I'm not even Sam.
Is Sam real? Who knows?
Is Sam real? Yeah.
I guess we'll never know. Joe and John? Yeah, Joe and John are AI as well. The whole Stewart fam.
Where Johnny Boy at?
The real Nick, yeah, the real Nick's the one quaking in the chat, just stirring the pot to get more. Yeah. Sam's as real as his background. Exactly, exactly.
Yeah, they're on to me.
As long as you win more pips than you lose, win rate's overrated. Yeah, man, as long as you're making money, right? Like, as long as you're making money, as long as you're pulling profits, as long as you're doing what you need to do. Yeah, I think we're up over 1,000 pips. If you subtract our losing pips and you just do the math, we're up over 1,000 pips this year. So Sam's ass. Yeah, and as a trader, you got to understand, you're not going to be 100% profitable every single month. I mean, come on, gang, right? Every month for your whole life. Let's be serious, right? So just understand, you can be profitable for 6 months, 8 months straight, and then have a month or two of just horrible trading, right? Where things just don't line up with your playbook, and you know, normally things work out and now they're not, man. It happens to everyone. And that's why I like talking to the big boys, right? Because they know, right? They can testify of this as well, that some weeks or some days or maybe even some months you're going to have you're going to struggle a little bit. It's not a problem. You have to understand that, right? You have to redefine what a loss really means to you. Otherwise, you ain't gonna last, man. You ain't gonna last.
Yeah, losses are lessons. Like you gotta treat losses so different with trading than I mean everything in life really. Like you just gotta like with school, if you do bad on a test or something, then your grade goes down, you get less points on a test. So like that's like what everyone's so used to growing up. But like with trading, if you have like a 80% win rate, 70% win rate, that's good. Like you're beating the market more often than not, right?
Yeah, sir. You really just won 1K on a 400K account? Yes. I think you're not good with money management. Well, I'm financially free and don't have jobs and handle my money very well. No offense taken. But you lose 25K and win 1K today. That's totally fine. 25K was lost over a week. I'm not going to try and get that back, right? I took my partials and guess what? I would have gotten stopped out here, right? So is 1K better than negative 7K on this trade? I think so. I think so. All right, new 4-hour candle has opened. Gold is just on a tear. 15-minute. Let's look at the 15-minute chart here to the left real quick. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. All right. So resistance here, 49. Let's mark that off real quick. Let's go to the back to the right-hand side. So we did get a closure above here, right, on the 15-minute time frame. Let's just redraw this support, right? So you have a support now on the 15. You also have a resistance as well that was formed, and we did close above. We did close above. This is the new 4-hour candle. Let's see how this, maybe, just maybe, we get a 15-minute sell replay here, and then we'll look to move, back up. $15-minute celery or ID.
Yeah, ID. Because gold is just pushing up nonsense.
Oh, nice. Up 1%. Hey, he's getting to it on that 6-week trip, that 6-week window. You got 6 weeks, man.
Hey, let's go.
Alexandru's in house. There's my boy. What up, Alexandru? Oh, yeah. Let's go ahead and take a look at pound yen, too. Okay, cool. So we did close bearish on the 4-hour as well. So we need a top wick here. So top wick, and we're in the game. Top wick, and we are in this game. Four hours should be pretty clean to come on down. Will you kindly talk about trend lines? I don't use trend lines, so I probably won't talk about them. U.S. military base in Iraq just attacked. Should see a reaction on gold. Probably. Probably. Where is it? I don't see anything.
I don't see.
Maybe another resource will tell us. Full-time troller. All right, lovely, lovely. We want to see this move down here before we come back up. This is what we want to see here. Give me a second.
DJ making the top. Wait, just wait on it. Just wait on it. Just wait on it. Two hours ago, the news was on Reuters. Okay. Yeah. What was 2 hours? Like 7 a.m. Did gold see a nice push up at 7? Instead on a statement on Thursday. Bro, that's tomorrow.
You ready? You ready? 15-minute celery. Let's see. We get this celery play 100%. We're in there. GJ moving up. 4-hour top wick being formed. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's see if we can come on up and get our resistance form, because hey, instead of taking our sells here, right, on the 4-hour close, if we get a resistance to form up top here, then that may be our opportunity to get a better entry, right? Let's say we come up one more 15-minute candle or something, and then we create resistance, right? Create this resistance here. That's our opportunity. Take our sells coming down. Once we break those 4-hour lows, that's where you should see a continued push down for price to continue moving, right? To fill that wick to the left, all the way to the left. We can't see it, but for the it's basically for the daily time frame to start moving down. Gold looking good, man. Looking really good here. You guys remember this play that happened last night? See this move here? See how you had a nice candle close above and then a bearish candle remain above? You've seen the move up. Same thing here. If we get this candle closing above now, right, on the 15-minute time frame, once we break the high, you should see a drive up. Will she wait? Oh, you hear that guitar work in the back? Hey. How big are stops if we take the celery? Big. Oh no, not that bad. Either 18, like 20 pips. 20 pip stops. I'll have my stops sitting here. And that way, you know, if we break that low, that's probably not going to move up. But Yeah, I'll probably have my stop sitting about 20 pips. Oh, hold up for us, gold. Hold on. Give us 5 more minutes. Yeah, that's cool. 5 should create support here, so 5 more minutes. What I do for a living before trading, I had my own business in network marketing, and in terms of like jobs, I did what did I do? Yeah, I did a lot. Did worked at car dealerships mainly, but just bounced around jobs. Never really settled down on a career or anything like that. Never had any desire to do so. Just always been hustling, man, since like 14 years old, 13, 14 years old. Just even in middle school. Some of y'all remember, how many guys are born in the 90s, right? You guys remember burning CDs, right? You would make CDs, put different songs on them. So that was one of my first hustles, was in like 5th grade, maybe 6th grade, where I would just hustle CDs, right? I'd just be like, yo, what playlist do you want? And let me know. I'll put it together for you. So that's what I would be doing. But always hustling, man. Oh, to this day, you know, trading's not the only thing I do. Anytime I have an opportunity to hustle or make some sort of a quick investment, I usually do it. Yeah, y'all remember those. Oh yeah, man. Slinging cards, everything. Buy a car for $2,000, sell it for 3, whatever. You know, I still do stuff like that to this day. Whatever you gotta do, you gotta do. Yeah, man. I would go to everybody in the in my grade. I ask them what CD they want, what songs they want on it, and me and my cousin, we would go to Office Depot. Some of y'all know Office Depot. We buy the big blank CDs, and we had the program to burn everything and put the songs on. So that was our hustle, man. Who entered? Who entered buys because he couldn't be patient? Say it now. Don't tell me when we're at 1953. Tell us now. The mini disc, yeah, facts. Yeah, I have a cousin that's older than me too, and when I was really young, maybe 9, 10, he was always hustling too, and he created this like landscaping company. So when I was really young, my parents lived in a trailer park, and we would go and literally just knock on doors and see if we can cut people's grass. And he would use me. He'd be riding the cool mower. I'd be doing all the weed whacking. LimeWire, yeah. Napster, yeah, man. Oh, yeah. Good times, man. Good times. GJ moving up. Gold moving down. $15-minute closure in 2 minutes here. I think it would be nice to come down to 43. It really would be. Create some sort of support down here.
Yeah, I like that.
The only thing is we've already gotten this exhaustion wick here.
Yeah, move up.
Right? So if we close above, that may be the final touch down there. All right. 1 minute left on this candle. Will support hold, or will we break through the bottom floor here? Yeah, so I've been just doing a bunch of different stuff all throughout my life. Never really stuck with one job. Always seen the paycheck and said, "Damn, that's what y'all people getting paid? I'm out. I'm out.
Gone.
I'm gone. I'm out of here. I'll figure this out on my own." All right, to 20 seconds here. Do I always close 80 at 10 pips? No, I close 80 where market structure tells me to. So in this case, it was like 10 or 15 pips. So that's why we closed at 10 or 15. All right. All right, so it looks like we are remaining above here. We closed very weak. Very, very weak bullish here. But we are closing above. Not going to take this unless there's another bottom wick formed. But if there is a bottom wick formed, then we may look to take our buys here. There is some sort of resistance that's kind of holding price up a little bit at 1950. What's a CD? Yeah, I don't like this. We're ejecting on 1950 here.
I don't like it either.
I don't know, man. I smell something.
We gotta make it some support. Goldie's about to pull back.
I don't know. I smell something here. May close on the 30.
Sell. We need a setup for sales, though. Like, can't just sell.
Sell. If we close below, we'll sell, right? Because 15 closure brings us 930.
Yeah.
Right? NYSE maybe move down here a little bit, and that gives us the pullback to create support. That support is probably going to happen either at 46 or 43.
Yeah, I agree. It's like this 4 hour needs bottom wick no matter what anyways.
Yeah. We'll see if we could take advantage of volume coming in. So look, 15-minute, we need that resistance like we talked about not taking our entry up here, but potentially, or down here, but potentially being able to take it up here. So let's see. 4 hour looks good though to continue down. Let's see if we get that resistance. If we do, we'll be in there. How do you determine where to draw the lines? They're always drawn on supports and resistances. Let's clean this chart up here though. All right, let's clean it up. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. So 15-minute, or let's go ahead and take a look at the 30. So 30-minute support, possible 30-minute resistance at 1950, right? There's a very strong level here in which we're rejecting. Let's go left. Let's take a look at that real quick. See what I mean? Right? This is what I'm talking about right here. So you guys can see where the rejection is coming from. Now, let me ask you guys, what happened when we rejected and the 30-minute closed bearish? Where did we go? Right? So let's see here, right? Very strong bull move up. Massive rejection. Create support or resistance. Price move down. Maybe we see that here today with volume. Maybe we see it, maybe we don't. But 30-minute closure is going to give us a strong idea of where we're going. So we'll see what happens. Or we just close above 1950. You know? And then above 1950, All right, above that resistance there is pretty clean. Coming on up to 1954. So this is how I find these ranges, right? And you always want to be aware of where you are in the range. Like for instance, we've closed right on the top of the range here. So you don't have much wiggle room now, right? Until you blast through 1950. Now you may say, nickel, it could do that in one candle. Yes, it can do that in one candle. And that's something that I'm willing to just let go, right? But if we did close above, right? So maybe we do this, but maybe we do this, right? And if it closes here, where do we close? More towards the bottom of the range. Therefore, we have a wick to fill and plenty of range to drive up. So that's why we're going to wait for that next range now, or we're going to sit tight and see if we get a resistance here. Oh, nice. GJ looking good too. Yeah, 15 close below support would be amazing. $15-minute bearish, 30-minute bearish, 1 hour bearish, 4 hour bearish lines up very nicely here.
Oh, GJ.
We got 9:30 coming in here in 9 minutes. So we got volume coming.
Got some volume coming, yep.
Let's go ahead and mark this off as well.
I really did all that. Didn't even bring my water.
This is good though. Gold going up, pound yen moving down. Lovely. $9.30 coming in hot. Would you take GJ on the break of the low in above setup? No, I'm going to wait for the candle to close here. So 7 minutes. 7 minutes. Gold or GJ, what would be my first option? Gold. Always. Jupiter.
Keep pushing, pushing.
We got a nice, let's take a look at the 4 hour time frame. Sheesh.
Sheesh.
Lot of room here. Who got into Zoom for free today? Shout out to everyone who
Crack the code.
cracked. Okay.
That's hilarious.
Welcome, Zoomers.
Forgot about that.
Who got in? A few people? Hey, shout out to you guys. That's like at I remember a few concerts or games that I went to. You see the security guard lacking. Yo, when that man looked back over there, we out of here. Pew! Straight dart. Hey man, how are you able to afford those tickets at Yankee Stadium right behind home plate? Oh, yeah. We seen you on the television. You're tempted to get in? Ooh, temptations. Temptation. All right, everything looks good. Is it Mitko or Myko? Mitko? Mitko? Mitko 1, Myko 2. Mitko. What is it? 1 or 2? Mit or Mite? Mit or Mite? 1 or 2? 1. Mitko. Awesome. Alright, Mitko. I see you, man. I see you.
Dude saw an opportunity and took it. What's the worst thing that's gonna happen?
Word.
Kick him out?
Nah, we don't kick people out who take opportunities, man.
Yeah, exactly.
You got in, you got in. That was I never missed a stream since 6 months. Wow, good stuff, bro. Hell yeah.
I like your profile picture, Miko.
Oh, I didn't even look at it. What is it, a frog?
It's SpongeBob holding
Oh.
like $10,000 with iced out jewelry on, and he's wearing like a green tux. Dude, swagging. Dude, that's a pimp, SpongeBob.
SpongeBob ballin'. SpongeBob
Yeah,
booling.
look at it. SpongeBob don't play, bro. Dos minutos.
Yeah, man, 2 minutes. Yeah, me too. Imagine starting your trading journey at 16. It's like
Yeah,
my
it's
brother
right.
John. Started at 16 years old. Taking care of business. All right, 1 minute here. Let me get set up and prepare myself for potential move on gold and pound yen here. 28 seconds here on gold and GJ. All right, let's take a look at gold here. So gold closed bullish. Did we close above? We did. Oh, whoa. Yeah, we did close above. Cool. So we closed above on gold. Let's see here. We need a little bit of a bottom wick, which I think we have gotten. Stops are looking. Yeah, we got to figure out some better stops here. Maybe 15-minute highs here. So yeah, stops are probably going to be previous 15. And that will, oh, perfect. And that will be the trade there on gold. So let's see if we can come up and re-break those highs. So buy stops here on the break of the high here on gold. All right, been activated here on gold. So buy stops on the break of the high. Stops going to be the 15 low. TP is going to be up here at 61.62. And we have volume coming in here with 930. Break even is going to be right around 1954, 1955. And that's going to be the move.
Pushing.
All right, 16 pips, gang. Gonna close partials right here on gold. 18 pips. I'm gonna move my TP up a little bit. Hold on. Let me move this up. Going to move stops to break even as well. Or actually, I'm gonna move stops to the low here. So I'm moving stops to the low. And yeah, close partials at 17 pips. Vant Trading's in the house. What up, Vant Trading? Good to see you here, brother. All right. Yeah. Good move. Let's see if NYSE can push us up a bit. But I'm going to put my stops about 8 pips, 7 pips. And yeah, see if we can run.
We should get a nice push up to like at least 55.
Yeah. Yeah, we re-break the high. I will move stops to break even here. W chat. Another one.
Back to backs.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and move stops to B here. And just let this thing run now. To the moon. Hey, yo.
Yeah, W.
4 hour.
Didn't budge on any of the sells or anything either. Just waited.
Yeah.
Couldn't get a bearish closure on any of the
Yeah, nothing.
respected time frames, the respectful time frames.
Yeah.
Nah, I ain't throwing shade on.
There we go.
time frame.
There we
I'm
go.
just-
Here we go. Get ready. Get ready for this pump. Watch this.
Hey, get the juicers in the chat. Juicers.
Watch this. Here we go, chat.
About to be talking to the moon.
Give this one more minute, and you should see a freaking fly action going on. Big juicer. Yeah, we need the 5 to close. Yeah, so closed partials right there. Risk-free trade though. Here we go. Here comes the action.
Simple.
Yeah, new 5 minutes about to open here. Oh, there it is. Hold on tight. Hold on. It's going to be a ride here. Oh, a 5 minute run. There it goes. Yeah, stops at a B here. GJ, we closed very close to support, so not gonna touch pound yen just yet here. Well, I think we got about 18 pips on that partial, right? Yeah, I think we closed right around right here. It's like 18 or 19 pips. But you should see price really get moving here. Let's go ahead and take a look to the left, just so I can remember what this middle line is for here. Yeah, so we're wicking into this range here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close probably another half of my position once we start moving up towards that gray zone there at 1954.
Yeah, what an easy day though, honestly, because it's like, I don't know, we talked about both these scenarios too. 820 with the, like, there was no news today. So where would we see volume? 820?
Yeah.
And then we waited because we said next time we see volume would be 9:30. And then what happened? We got setups with both of those times, and that's like what the playbook's for, bro. It's like right when you have those times of volume.
Yep.
Money.
Absolutely.
Yeah, easy day.
Yeah, easy peasy. Patience. Patience, just waiting for our opportunities, right? Not jumping on anything that doesn't fit the plan, right? We could have taken buys here, gang. Right? We could have taken these buys. We could have taken buys here. We could have taken buys here. But they never closed above the ranges, right? And they closed right at the top of the ranges. Therefore, you have to display discipline, man. You got to really be patient with your discipline. You know, you'll get your move. Patience pays. Sometimes you may not take a trade. Some days you will. But, you know, it's always best to wait for the A-plus setups, man. And now we just let this thing run. Just let it run. 2 W's today. Hey, that's because, where's Vant Trading? Is Vant still here? That's because I got my day trader shirt on today, chat. I'm a day trader here today. Where are all the day traders at?
YouTube guy.
Oh, man. Hey, I'm here for the day trading stream. Vant, I got my day trading shirt on today, man. All right, lovely, lovely. Cool. So I'm going to close another half of my position right here at 55 pips and just continue to let it run. Just bag some profits along the way here. Lovely, lovely. 9:30, man. Juicer.
Ooh, pushing. Wow, I looked up.
Yeah, you should see 1961 here. Next target. Do we see 1961? Oh, 1958, 1959. Do we see 1960? Can we see 1960 here? Come on, gold. Can you do it? Can you do it? Can you rally up? Let's see. Here we go. Here we go. 1959, 1959, 1959. There's 1960. Oh, almost, almost. Can we see 1960 here? Can we see 1960
this
on
dude's
the...
up 80 pips.
Can we see 1960
Holy.
here?
My TP got smashed like 40 pips ago.
Yeah, all right.
That's W, bro.
1960, 1960, where are you? Where are you? Here we go. Here's 1960. Can we see 1961 here by the end of this 15-minute candle here in 5 minutes? We may pull back a little bit. We'll see. Oh, it's getting crazy.
Next to it, the juicer.
Juicer. Bring your juice boxes out today here. We've got a juicer.
Juice boxes. W's.
What up, Sandman? That's good, bro. It's a Quake-free stream today. Quake-free stream. See, in life, you gotta know who to piss off and who not to piss off. You know? I know. Let's see what GJ did. Oh, now we're moving down here. So, yeah. Let's see. Honestly, no big deal here. It's fine. Gold was the play here. 1961 should be on the horizon here.
DJ wouldn't have gave 80, 70, 80 pips.
No, not in 10 minutes.
Nah. We like gold.
Up 4% this week. Good job.
Who likes gold? In the chat. Who likes gold? I like gold.
I do.
Yeah, I love gold.
Haters left the chat. Oh yeah, when haters see this right here, whenever you see this tool up, you won't see any haters. Trust me. It's Quake free when we got this up.
Nah, and then in the top right too.
Yeah, that's right. They're like, nah, blue numbers. Let's go hate on someone else today. They call.
Where Peanut at?
We're
Peanut been gone.
Where Peanut at?
Peanut been gone.
Where's Peanut at?
That was a winning trade too. He just didn't like the drawdown.
Yeah, you got to get comfortable with drawdown, man.
As a hater, that's luck. You funny. Those are funny.
Yeah, I think 1961 is my target here. Anything above that is whatever, right? 1961 right here. Yeah. Why did that? Yeah, perfect. Got in at 49. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, and look at this. A nice good morning text from my mom.
Beautiful.
Yeah, I got to call my mom, chat. I haven't called my mom in like 2 weeks. Some of y'all forget to call your parents or nah? She called me like 2 or 3 times too. Six months into trading, trying to learn. Can you break down exactly why you took this trade? Yeah, of course. Let's break down why we took this trade here, right? So one thing we know is gold was very bullish, right? So the 4-hour candle did close bullish here. And, obviously we're on a bullish run here. Daily's bullish as well. So we were looking for buys all throughout the session. So as this candle closed, right, there was no buys, right? Because we closed at the top of the range here. So no buys, we held off. Price moved up. If we look at the 30-minute time frame, and actually let's go to the 15. Price created this support here on the 15, right? And then we also had this right here, and me and Sam were talking about this earlier, right? This wick down that grabbed most of the liquidity, I would say, for price to continue moving back up. So being that we were at the top, right, because the candle closed right here, right, being that we were at the top of this range, not much wiggle room, it was best to wait until a candle closed above, because this candle right here was either going to close resistance at previous resistance to move down. Let me show you the resistance I'm talking about here at 1950. So this is the resistance I'm referring to, right? So we basically closed right here. So can we take a buy? I mean, we can, but is it best to take a buy at the top of a range where there's a strong resistance? No, right? So we had to be patient. We knew that 930 was coming up. We knew that we got our bottom wick. And now, 1961 coming in hot. Hold on. Hold on. We need 100 here. This is only 91. Hold on. Pause that explanation real quick. Can we get to 100 pips?
Drum roll. Pushing.
Haven't had 100 pipper in a bit. It's been a bit. 95 pips. Come on, creep up there. 100. All right. Anyway, we had this candle close here, right? And this was the first candle of the 4-hour, right? The first 30-minute candle. We know that NYSE was coming in as well. Oh, target tapped. Target tapped. 100 pips.
I seen
chat.
it.
100. Oh yeah, I'm out.
100
I'm
pips.
done.
Yeah, we keep
Bye-bye.
it 100.
I'm out of here. Close full. I don't care if it continues to run. That's it. That was my trade here today. Lovely.
Oh, I need hundreds in the chat.
Hundreds in the chat.
Keep it 100.
Hundreds in the chat. Beautiful 100 pip move here, man. Lovely. Yeah, 100 pip move here. Very nice. Secure that at 100. And that's it. Wherever she goes, she goes. Maybe she goes another 100. We'll see.
Maybe
Yeah,
she
but
will.
that was my planned move. Therefore, that's it. 5-minute rocket ship. Right? What did I say? Once that new 5 closed, that's going to be the blast off. And once that 5 closed, made a nice little bottom wick. Bye-bye.
Gone.
She gone. Hundreds in the Zoom chat also. Let's go. Yo, it's been a minute since I had a 100 pip move here. Not going to lie.
Me too, bro. Well, I mean, I didn't get it, but... Now I gotta get mine, bro.
So I think I closed partials there at 18 pips. So that was 9:30. 9:30 a.m. Oh, damn. We're in the future on that last trade. 10/18/28. Nah, B. Don't let them know I'm a time traveler. Crap. All right. Gold buy. So second attempt there on the gold buys, which is good. Breakout. Oh, close full at 100. All right, good stuff. Good stuff. Oh, damn. Look at that rejection of 62 there. See that? You don't want to get caught holding the bag, baby.
Oh. Yeah, that's a day for me.
That's the day. Yeah, I hope you guys are journaling your trades. Journaling these trades are going to be vitally important to you as you look back quarter to quarter and see your performance, see what has been working, what's not been working, find out your flaws, and get better, right? Get better and better. All right, let's yeah. Can you share the journal? Yeah. If you just hit exclamation point journal, then you'll get the journal. Yeah, I went about half risk on both those trades. I have to let me just make sure this was half. So we had pretty steep stops. So yeah, opened up like a 20 lot and I think like a 15 lot on the other one. So not big lots at all on these two trades. Really learned the value of patience today. Let's go. Nick, good job, bro. Thanks, Sergio. What up, Sergio? TTE Banks Santos. Hey, Sergio, TTB Banks Santos. You closed full when I did. Had FOMO, went back in, hit sell. Oh, hit sell? Oh, dang. What does common comics mean? Oh, comics. Yeah, that's the commodity exchange open. Yeah, that's the commodity exchange open. Let's see. Where did we reject? I think we rejected our overall. Yeah, I think we rejected right here. Let's take a look. That's a pretty high level there. Yeah, right on the nose there. First time on the live. You guys are killing it. Well done. Hey, thanks, Lewis. Welcome. Hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here today. If you aren't subbed to the channel, go ahead, subscribe to the channel. We do free live trading every day. All free. Literally. All we ask is that you pay in likes. So if you guys can like the stream, that would be your contribution to the live stream here today. And it would also just make my day. If I seen 1,000 likes on today's stream, man, holy, I would be pumped up. Rick G with the $10 donation. Thank you, Rick. Thank you, bro. You didn't have to do that. If you guys are thinking about sending a donation, take whatever you're going to send, and I really would love for you to go out and give it to somebody in your local neighborhood area that needs it more than me. Please do that. Rick G, though. Shout out to Rick. Thank you, bro. We donating again? Yeah. Hold off on the donations to me and just give back somewhere locally in your community. Even if it's $10, $5, $3. Buy somebody some water. Buy them some, I don't know, maybe a little bite to eat. All right, LeGrand. Later, brother. And what did GJ do here? Yeah, GJ is rejecting that support. So the reason I didn't want to take these sells here is because of this support, right? Nine pips away. So didn't really like that at the closure there, so stayed away. Shout out to Rick G. Nick, do you trade Monday through Friday? Yeah. What up, Nate? Yeah, I trade Monday through Friday here. Right here on the live streams. Wow, beauty, man. 930 rocket ship. Can gold give us another entry? Oh man, that's the move, bro. That's the move of the day.
As it's done.
Yeah, that's it. I mean, we may continue up and do all that, but that's the move of the day.
Yeah, that's the push. Nice. What was it? 15 minutes, 100 pips, whatever.
Yeah. Oh, sounds like Maverick's up. He's outside of the office door. He's saying, "Dad?
He smells
Dad?"
pips, bro. He's like, what's he cooking in there, bro? Boom, boom, boom.
Start raiding the room. Update the record with the last win? Yeah, we'll update it. Thanks, Dan. What's up, Dan? Good to see you, man. Give this man 1,000 likes. Oh, can we see 1,000 likes here today? Well, let's see. Let's see. I'm sure some people left.
Yeah,
Let's see. I'm sure a lot of people left. And now we could take the real trade. Oh, not that many. See, they come check on us, man. Look, 8:30. Oh, they're not trading. Oh, let's come back for the new 4 hour. They're not trading yet. Oh, 9:30. They're definitely back. And then, yeah, take the trade and they go home.
They go home.
See, all of y'all are the consistent ones, and then these are like the Quakers. They come in, they check, they see if they could throw any hate. No hate yet. Check, no hate. No check. Oh, yeah, definitely no hate. We're out of here. Boca Raton. Oh, wait, Boca Rogue in the building. I highly appreciate you. What up, Joshua? What's going on, man? Appreciate that. Yeah, it was a great trading day because remember, I've got my day trading shirt on today. Nick, who's hating? Oh, no one's hating. I'm just messing with y'all. I'm just trolling.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
Just trolling a little bit. Gotta have my fun too on some days, you know? Yeah, give the donations to the poor. Yep. Yeah, hold off on your donations, chat, and just help some people out in your neighborhood. All right. Is it normal to be nervous when I close 80? How do you learn to hold your position? You gotta look left. You know, again, that wasn't really my decision. You know, there was some choppiness towards the left-hand side here. You had that wick right there that I was looking at. There was also, you know, you're coming into this wick rejection here. So that's why I decided to close some partials there at like 18, 19 pips. It was just because the market was showing us some sort of rejection in this level. Right now, it doesn't mean it has to reject, but you want to plan that trade out. And you know, if price is coming into these rejection zones, then closing 80%, there's nothing wrong with that, right? You're securing your partials and nothing wrong with that whatsoever. So yeah, it's all good. Yeah, you'll slowly gain confidence, right? So Maybe next time, instead of closing 80, you close 70, right? And then maybe you close 60, and then maybe 50, and then maybe, hey, maybe you let the whole thing run for the 100 pips. But just give it time. You'll get used to it. JP Morgan sold gold at 62, probably. Is that the day for us? Let me see here. That damn positivity. This guy's positive every damn day. Yeah, I think we're done. Yeah, GJ closed right at support. Gold is, the move happened on gold here. So yeah, that's all. Go give your mom a call. Yeah, probably going to give my mom a call here. See how she's doing. We'll answer one more question here. Let's see. What's one advice you would like someone who's 6 months into it? I've lost a lot of money because of bad habits. I've learned from now, but sometimes it still happens. Yes. So you just got to really practice on discipline. Practice on discipline. Think of the most important person in your life and know that with this skill set, you can provide the #1 lifestyle in the world for them. And every time you break your plan or you do something stupid, right, that you know is stupid, just know that you are holding back on giving them the life that you want to give them, and also holding back on your own life, right? So every time you make a mistake, you push yourself further back. So it's a little bit of some maturity and just really, really being disciplined, right? And understanding that breaking your rules long term will never, ever, ever lead to success, but sticking with them long term, you'll gradually continue on the upcline or the incline. 24-hour stream, yes, next week. We'll update the record and then we'll get up out of here, I think. So 98, 2 away from 100 wins here on stream, chat.
Goldie, go, Hootie.
All right. I think we're good. I think we're done here. What do you think, Sam?
I'm done. W day.
Time to have a good day.
That's the move, bro.
Yeah. That was the move. Yeah, we'll be back tomorrow. Tomorrow's Thursday. We do have unemployment claims coming in tomorrow, so we'll take a look at that. I believe that's going to be at 8:30 as always. Landscapers should be here as well. And that's really all we've got to navigate tomorrow, right? Pal speaks at noon, but that's going to be after our session. So yeah, chat, we'll come back at it tomorrow. If you guys took that trade today, congratulations. If you missed it, guess what? Trades are like buses, and there's always another one coming. So hope you all have a great one. Sam, hope you have a good day, bro. And
Great day, Nick.
yes, sir. Chat, love y'all. Enjoy the profits today. Don't try and, get back and buy. I don't know. But do whatever you want. But I'm out of here. Hope y'all have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Peace.